back with vital signs. What you will notice now is that all of our patients have been connected to BP cuffs. Some of them have thermometers in their mouths, and they've all got something that's counting their pulse rate. Hi all, and welcome to today's lockdown COVID activity, which is our fibroid safari. Please look at the beautiful backdrop and the African sunrise when you get to see it. Oh, and there's our first herd of fibroids. In this session, we are going to have some story time, and the first story that we're going to read is called Matilda's Agony. Welcome to today's edition of What's Behind the Door. The theme today is pelvi-abdominal masses. We have two very special guests. Here they come. May I introduce you to Little Red Riding Hood and Grandma. Right, so let's build our pelvis. First, we're going to start with the pelvic floor. There's some striated muscles. Right at the back here, we've got nerves, blood vessels that are sort of towards the midline. Okay, so that is a little crash course revision in pelvic anatomy, and that is in about as much detail as I think you need to know it for your level. Dear Dr. Louise, I have a real problem with my periods. I started my periods at the age of 14. That, of course, was accompanied with a magical ceremony in the forest. And my cycle has always been very regular. You see, my body is very in tune with the lunar cycle, and the moon and my uterus speak to each other. So yes, well, I'm 46 years old, and I hope you don't mind my lockdown hairstyle. It's difficult to get out to get someone to do it for you, so I had to do it myself. This consultation is confidential, now?
Absolutely.
Well, then I tell you the honest truth. I am an international woman of mystery. I am a spy working deep undercover here in Cape Town. But I have always, since forever, had these very heavy and painful periods. And so after the birth of my last child, they put me on the injectable, the contraceptive, because they said it's going to help with the bleeding. And it did help with the bleeding and the pain. But I, for one, was shocked when I put on 10 kilograms on that injection, to the point that I could not fit into my amazing David Clarley dress that was made for the U Blockbuster annual awards. Yes! Oh, Boris! Oh, how dinky of you to call! Yes, I'm frightfully exhausted. Yes, you know, it's the third one I've pushed out, good Lord. Yes. Oh, well, you see, I had to come in because my water's broke, you understand?
Hi, Doc. I'm Dana. I'm 21 years old, and I'm pregnant. Yay! 10 weeks and 3 days. But I'm here because I've got a little problem. I've got this discharge, which is very watery. My panties are so wet, and my boyfriend, after we, he said to me, Dana, you smell like a codfish.